Welcome to our Split System Warranty Checklist submission tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to complete and submit the checklist required to activate your limited 2-year product warranty. To activate your warranty, the checklist must be submitted within 30 days of installation and approved by a WhisperKOOL representative. To get started, visit whisperkool.com/warranty-information. Here, you'll find our warranty checklist, available as a digital form or a printable PDF, in both English and Spanish. Before you begin, note that any field marked with a blue camera icon may be documented with photos instead of written data. Start with the System Information section. Enter the evaporator and condenser model and serial numbers, total line set length, any vertical rise, and the liquid and suction line diameters. Next, complete the Installer Information section. Provide the company name, phone number, technician's name, email, and startup date. Startup data must be collected by a certified HVAC technician using proper tools. Finally, fill out the Startup Information section. Record head pressure and liquid line temperature, suction pressure and suction line temperature, subcooling and superheat calculations, amp draw, return and supply air temperature difference, and refrigerant charge weight. Once complete, use the information located on the bottom of the checklist to upload it via the provided QR code or by email. You can also mail or fax the checklist. After your submission is received, one of our representatives will review the information. If everything checks out, your warranty will be activated and you'll receive a confirmation email. If corrections are needed, you'll have 10 business days to resolve them. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our customer service team at warranty@whisperkool.com.
Or give us a call at 1-800-439-463. Thank you for choosing WhisperKOOL to protect your investments in fine wine.